Hello guys, my name is Pravi Adonda. Welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I can going to talk about the Gemini Pro, how you guys can going to access the Gemini account and Gemini AI. So we can going to explore all the things, what kind of activity we can do, what kind of features they are providing, and how much strong and how much accuracy this Gemini AI versions can providing a content. Okay, so let me check. So I can show you the process. So simply I can show you the recently I have some do activities on the Gemini. So I can going to show you how you guys can, if you guys are having a fresh account, so you guys can simply open your any kind of a Gmail account. Okay, so there you guys can in the Google SERP search box you guys can type bard dot google.com. So if you guys can simply hit this URL on the Google search box, so you guys can found that kind of interface. So there is a option to you guys can click try bard now. Okay, and something went wrong. I'm not sure why these things are happening. So let me check with the another account, because recently I have opened these things. So let me check in my bar.google.com. You guys can type this URL on the Google search box. And let me check. I think there is something happening with the users activity things. Okay, once you guys can found this interface, so there is an option you guys can click try bard, and you guys can acknowledge the terms and condition. If you want, you can read it, and there is a checkbox you guys can check now, and then you can click to continue button, and you guys can found that kind of interface. So it's a look like a bard, a dashboard. So how we can aware about ki which AI versions they are using. So we can ask with the bard AI. Which versions of are you using? Okay, I understand the unfortunately your questions is incompleted. Okay, I need which versions of, okay, so I have AI models capabilities, which AI versions. Okay, I can show you this keyword I have search with my previous dashboard. So let me try again in the bar dashboard. Oh my god. Okay, then we can try to hit what outcomes we can get it. I'm ready to provide information about the model versions I'm using. There is indication name chat GPT-3 familiar model development open AI GPT 3.5. Okay, JX, but the same prompt. If I okay, let me ask which versions of model are you using with a phrase chat. Let's see what outcome we can receive. We can try to understand the Okay, if we are hit this keyword on the new chat box, so there we have received a option to I'm currently using the Gemini Pro language model, which is a large language model LLM from Google AI. I'm not able to access the exact version number, but I can share some information about Gemini Pro. So these are the Gemini Pro information. So basically, this AI bard are using a Gemini Pro language model. So simply, if you guys can want to access, if you guys can want to explore the Gemini Pro version, so you guys can go with this bard.google.com, and where you guys can access your Gemini Pro version. Okay, so in the Gemini Pro version, which kind of things we can do? So there is two options. You guys can upload any kind of images, then you guys can search what image exactly. So let me try which company logo is this. Let me try. So what kind of outcome we can receive? Actually, the processing time is a little bit slow. So you guys can see the company name is Glen Traffic Solutions. So yeah, it's exactly correct now. So so let me try to understand the what kind of activity this bard can also do. Gemini Pro version. So there is option you guys can use a micro phone version. So there you guys can directly ask with the bard AI which kind of result you guys are wanting. So you guys can do these things also, and there is option to we can also do. So let me try to generate some content. So I can provide you with a keyword, and keyword is traffic management services, management services, and the company name is Glen Traffic. You have to generate short we'll see, let's see which what kind of outcome we can receive. So absolutely Glen Traffic keeping your road following the project. Okay, so it's a look like okay, content Glen Traffic management solutions for safer smooth journey, option to benefit focused. Okay, and option 3 solutions oriented Glen Traffic, your company your complete compile your complete traffic management toolbox. We design and implement customized solution from signed and flagging advantages. Okay, let me try to let me check if this content are available anywhere, any content. I guess traffic management solution toolbox. Okay, so basically we can main things we can do on the same dashboard. So at that time we have total three AI bots. So we having chat GPT 3.5 version, and also cloudy AI, and also bard, look like a kind of we can also call Gemini Pro version. So in these tools you guys can explore which tools can providing a better content and a better personalized content. So you guys can explore the total three of AI versions, so you guys can understand so what kind of things you guys are wanting, and which AI versions can providing a better and the and very precise content. So you guys can explore these things. If you guys can want to use a Gemini Pro version, so there is a simple option. You guys can click a bard.google.com, so where you guys can easily access a bard Gemini Pro version. Okay, so still if you guys are watching till end, oh sorry, and I have something I can going to share with you. There is extensions you guys can, if you guys can want to explore the some extensions you guys can also do. So you guys can see locate informations help. So okay, the magic bard comes to your stuff. Bard extensions help you bring to all together. Okay, let me check. Okay, it's about a video, so you guys can check, you guys can watch this video which kind of things they are offering. So okay guys, so still if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of suggestion, project or services, so you guys can find my social details over the description section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing. If you guys can want to help me something, or so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you can understand. So okay, yeah, bye bye and take care.